Howdy there. My name is Russell Doughty and this is my buddy the President Tree, currently listed as the third largest giant sequoia on the planet. I was selected as the phenology and climate change intern for Sequoia-Kings Canyon National Parks under the George Melendez Wright Climate Change Youth Initiative. Phenology is the study of how changes in weather and climate affect the timing of plant and animal life cycle events. To understand how Earth's changing climate affects ecosystems, we must not only monitor climate, but the species that compose the natural world. Aldo Leopold once said, "Keeping records enhances the pleasure of the search and the chance of finding order and meaning in these events." As a part of the California Phenology Project, Sequoia National Park began monitoring the life cycle events of 4 plant species in 2011. Each monitoring site was chosen for its proximity to existing Park Service weather stations. In addition to human monitoring, 2 web cameras were installed to provide live streams of a blue oak tree and a California buckeye. For the buckeye, daily images are automatically stored on a web server. The site-specific weather data and daily photographs become extremely useful when coupled with phenological observations. Using the Park Service's content management system, I created web pages that introduce the public to phenology, Sequoia's monitoring project, and the park's climate. The site also solicits the public, teachers, and students to participate in phenological monitoring as citizen scientists, and links them to the resources that will make them successful contributors. Coupling Sequoia National Park's weather station data and phenology observations with the daily images of California buckeye, I created an interactive web feature called PhenoLapse using JavaScript. The main page for PhenoLapse introduces the user to the various phenophases of the buckeye using photos that jump out of the page, from breaking leaves to flowering to fruiting. After selecting a year, users can use the scroll bar to progress through an entire year's worth of California buckeye photos and simultaneously compare its phenophases with precipitation and temperature. The photos can be enlarged for closer inspection, and the user can press the play button to view the complete progression of phenophases at once. After PhenoLapse was complete, I set out to create a lesson plan based on the interactive web feature. The lesson can be used with Sequoia National Park's existing Rangers in the Classroom program and is available to teachers publicly through the National Park's educational portal. The most exciting part of the internship was when I had the opportunity to test my lesson plan in a classroom with 5th and 6th graders. After being introduced to phenology and the phenophases of the California buckeye, they worked their way through the research lab report in groups while playing the role of research biologists using laptop and tablet computers. The feedback from the students and the teachers helped me fine-tune the lesson plan and PhenoLapse. While at Sequoia National Park, I had the opportunity to learn how climate is impacting the park's ecosystems and how they are mitigating these impacts. It seems that I had a chance to work with virtually every section of the park staff, including interpretation, resource management, GIS, archives, and even ecologists at the USGS Ecological Research Center. My experience has been invaluable to my professional and educational pursuits. The opportunity has merged my advanced skills in computer science and graphic design with my passions for educational outreach, forest ecosystems, and climate change. My time at Sequoia National Park has been a perfect segue into my master's thesis, which establishes long-term citizen scientist monitoring plots on my family's 120 acres of shortleaf pine forest in southeast Oklahoma. It has been an honor to participate in the Climate Change Youth Initiative and the National Park's Climate Change Response Program, which aims to educate and engage the public using an array of media at schools, at the parks, and online.